going on, guys? Man, it is April 19th. We are on our way to State Farm Stadium for the Arizona Super Show. It's a Lowrider show, but I'm putting the z06 in the show. Why? Why not? The more eyes on it, the more cameras, we need that. So it's gonna be a ride in the C7 z06 POV to the State Farm Stadium. Let's go. Driving hella slow, don't know why. Damn truck full of dirt and rocks, no cover on the back. Just flung a rock out, smacked the damn windshield. I don't see no damage, but come on, man, cover y'all cargo, man. Phoenix is mad overpopulated now, man. I don't like it. Enjoy the car, all this damn traffic. But we on our way. Pull up at this thing, man. They got me outdoors, unfortunately. It's alright. Searching people. What do you say? You got a gun on you? Oh, if you carrying a gun going to a car show, bro, you need to stay at home. Where you headed? Outdoors, I don't know. are you? Just go straight?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
The yellow brick road.
All right, thank you. Hot outside for this shit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. All right. That's it. We made it to the car show. I'm about to wipe this car down, get the hell out of here. It's about 90 degrees outside. It's hella hot. And we'll be back tomorrow for the car show. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's run these numbers up. Man, let's get this page popping. Let's go. Let's get this channel going. Let's go.